Wasense meyo mugo abaga kobolia abagavana bonso biro mugavana we county Nyamira Gavana Nyaribo na begono mugavana we county ya Kisii Gavana Arati kwaneke bunankomera na balensi ya mutukemero ngebere nelime elikonyara gotwara chinkwano baruboka babere unanchira baranya yakoleto mulembe asense melia yensemo ya keroka aniga gocha magechibura burukonyara kwaneke wense meyo keroka yansemo ya keroka gotebekana koba ekerenge kenne imeje county Nyamira ekerenge county ya Kisii nero ya rokane kwa mirianse meyo na gusangiriria bango kura sensemo yubogo taigwana koroka na koba sensemo ya keroka nigo chinga kijabira obono baburi wanyara gutwara chinkwana na koleta chinchira chomorembe na konyara koganya ningane jo maiga yogo ikabusyo bwekagambiro arati ko kura sensemo yubo igoni go aburi gwa kwane kibuna ngotora rubwa matobya no mugavana we county ya Nyamira eliko ne kibuna konyara bare gukora kibura buru nistangutangu kigendere tokane kigwa ana sensemeria ya keroka.
The court orders that the two governors of Kisii and Nyamira respectively meet within the next 21 days to discuss how to maintain, not to restore because the order is already there, to maintain order and rule of law at Keroka town. In the meantime, also, the two county commanders to also meet and agree on a formula to be applied to offer security to the traders at Keroka town. The respective revenue collectors to also continue collecting revenue on their respective jurisdiction. Wazee, me I'm talking to you, senior council, sober up your people. Also sit down with your leaders, agree. You see, you agree on the best way to help the people of Keroka. Keroka is a very, very pivotal trading center of the Gusii community. Very, very important. So let's not have chaos there. And let's not have a situation where the national government will have to intervene. I told you if I had the powers, I would remove the boundary and merge the two counties. But some people will lose their jobs. And that's not the best. I'm forced to say you are lucky as a community, you have two counties. Whereas there are some communities which do not have a county at all. So to maintain that and to be grateful for that, let's remain united as we've always been. I love the Kisii people. And one of the things I love about them is their unity. And I do not want to get in the middle of you people. Nitaachwa katika kwa kwetu tunasema ukiwaingilia watu ambao wanapendana utaachwa